Welcoming all of you to once again to yet another super cool, super awesome, and absolutely amazing session from your favorite and my favorite BioPoint Stream the World of Bio. And today we are having yet another session of Question Bank from Biological Classification. The first session of Question Bank we have done Living World, and now we are doing the chapter of Biological Classification. Soon we will be coming with the all other chapters, and stay tuned and stay waited and just join all the sessions, bookmark all the questions that you have doubt, and if it is not at all clear, just post it in the comment section or in the chat box, or you may ask it in the discussion group of your telegram. Yes, join our amazing Telegram group, World of Bio. Just search at BioPoint New in your Telegram and join our group for regular discussion, daily quizzes, polls, daily questions, update on classes, and OMR exams. Just join the channel of Need on BioPoint Stream the World of Bio. We have the World of Bio and 2021 and 2022 batch of this NEET. Kindly join and be an active member, and just participate in all the quizzes, all the classes, all the amazing YouTube sessions. Just be an active commenter in the YouTube session too. Yes, now we are moving forward in today's session with the questions of biological classification. Yes, hope you all are ready. On your marks, get set and go. We are moving on to the first question of this session of biological classification from BioPoint Stream the World of Bio. And just do not forget to hit the like button, do share it with your friends, and if you are a new member, subscribe the channel right now at BioPoint Stream the World of Bio. Okay, and comment all the answers of whichever, whether it is correct or not correct, just comment it. And in this session I have included the simplest questions of this chapter, very simple questions of this chapter, in order to make you have a confidence on that chapter. But we will be covering each and every level of the questions in the further sessions. Clear with that? So we are moving forward to the amazing session from Biopoints in the World of Bio on the question bank of biological classification, the second chapter of your NCRT Biology Class 11. So be ready, stay awaited, and be active in the comment box, commenting all the answers that you know, whether it is right or wrong. You are freely permitted to comment the answers. So just begin. Let's begin today's session with the first question of the day. Which of the following organisms can be found in extreme saline conditions? Option 1 is eubacteria. Number 2, archaebacteria. Number 3, cyanobacteria. Number 4, mycobacteria. Which among the following can be found in extreme saline conditions? Yes, it's one of the most simplest question of this chapter. All of you know which can be found in the extreme saline conditions. Which of the organism given here has been can be seen in extreme saline conditions. So I'm not marking the answer now because most of you, someone might be timing now, so it will be a disturbance for them. So surely when the answer is on the screen, surely I will be discussing that, and how that's how we will be moving with the entire sessions of question bank. Clear with that? So the first question, which of the following organism can be found in extreme saline conditions? So all of you know Archaebacteria is the type of bacteria that can be found in the extreme conditions. For example, all of you know the case of methanogens, right? Methanogens, all of you know the case of thermoacidophiles. All of you know the forms, what classification of archaebacteria on the base of salt, that is a halophytes. All of you know all these things, right? So all these are the classification of this archaebacteria for the adapting into extreme saline conditions. So therefore we can say that the organism that can be found in extreme saline conditions is none other than archaebacteria. Clear with that? Moving on to the next question. Linnaeus used which kingdom of classification? Very simple. artificial system, natural system, phylogenetic system, and asexual system. Which system of classification is used by Linnaeus? Comment your answers fast. Yes, guys, exactly. Artificial system of classification is the one used by Linnaeus. Okay, Linnaeus used the type of classification known as artificial system of classification. And who made the earliest attempt? That's the first point, important point of biological classification from your NCRT, right? Who made the earliest attempt of classification on a scientific basis? It is none other than the father of biology, that is the Aristotle, right? He was the first person to make a classification, to make an attempt on classification on a more scientific basis, right? He classified plants as herbs, shrubs, and trees, and he classified animals as those which have RBCs and those which do not have RBCs, right? So that's the second question, and we are moving on to the next. The smallest taxon of classification is very simple. I think so. Not I think it's the questions from the living world, the first chapter. No issues with that. It's also a type of classification. So the smallest taxon of classification is, yes, exactly, none other than its species. Option B. It is the basic unit of classification. As per the taxonomical hierarchy, it is the species is the basic unit of classification, followed by genus, family, order, right? It's a phylum, kingdom, right? KP, yeah, class, phylum, kingdom, right? KPC of GS, right? It's also a confusion for me. Yes, moving forward to the next question. In which of the following kingdom are archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms classified? Archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms are classified in which of the following kingdom? All of you know the very basic question. Okay, from the first part of the chapter. Okay, option A, Animalia. Second one, Plantae. Third one, Monera. And fourth one, Fungi. Which of the following are classified? Which of the following kingdom are archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms classified? Yes, exactly. It's Monera, Kingdom Monera, Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Archaebacteria, we have this methanogenous thermoacidophiles, and this Eubacteria, we have this cyanobacteria. Okay, Mycoplasma, all these are included in the Monera, right? Eubacteria. That those have certain specialized nitrogen fixing structures known as what? Heterocysts. Right. So these are the certain nitrogen fixing structures that is there for fixation of atmospheric nitrogen by in kingdom Monera. Right. Moving on to the next question. Bentham Hooker gave which system of classification? Which system of classification among those options? Numerical, phylogenetic, artificial, and natural, which is given by Bentham and Hooker. Simple. We have in the previous question we have discussed that artificial is given by what? Linnaeus. By whom? Linnaeus. So who gave this? What? Which of the following system of classification is given by Bentham and Hooker? Exactly, natural system of classification. Without any fail, everyone know that, right? Natural system of classification is given by Bentham and Hookup. It's a premiering session, so I am not able to call out your names, but be active in the comment box as you did in the chapter of Living World. It's not for me, it's for you. It's my effort taken by me for you. Okay, just remember how effort is taken by me to prepare these questions. Okay, at the end, surely I will show that. In this presentation, I will show. Okay, so just give at least just give some respect for that and just focus in the class and comment the answers. Okay, just focus in your studies. Okay, all of you know about the what stories of NEET 2020. Okay, this exam was much easy, and that's how most of the students just fail to get the admissions, right? Because of their less score. The exam was most easiest. Okay, nothing more than, but we can expect that the exams in the next upcoming years of 2021, 2022, it will be much more easier because the NEET exam is coming up to an NCRT level, nothing more than that. Therefore, the type competition arises and the cutoff marks will be increasing. Okay, the qualification marks will be increasing, and that's how the admission procedures will move on. Look now, This year we have two students scored 720 on 720, full marks in the history of NEET examination. So like that, we all need your full wholehearted cooperation. At least you should need a mark above 650. That's some only that score we can expect for getting admissions in the colleges, medical colleges, because nowadays the scores are getting so high because the score of 5, you know, a student with having a rank of 70,000 is having a score of 520 on NEET examination first time, because most of them are sharing the scores, and due to the on the base of the criteria of negative mark, age difference, alphabetical order, their rank is getting lower and lower, and that's how they are not getting the admissions. So just try hard so that no need of much worries. After the NEET exam, just have a reference on the answer key, okay, so that it will be clear for you to, well, how much mark we will get, whether we should expect or not, okay. That's why the repeat courses are starting just soon after the classes of soon after the exams of NEET. Clear with that? So moving on to the next question: what is the main basis of classification in five kingdom system? Structure of nucleus, cell wall, structure of cell wall, asexual reproduction, mode of nutrition. Which is the main basis of classification in five kingdom system? Yes, revealing the correct answer. It's mode of nutrition. It's not at all a criteria, which is one condition, which is a criteria based for classifying classification of five kingdom by R. Chutaka, right? So it's not a criteria. Mode of nutrition is not at all there. Instead, there are five other criterias. Okay, cell wall structure, phylogenetic reproduction, phylogenetic uh, methods, then mode of reproduction. Yeah, mode of uh, mode of reproduction. Then what else? Yeah, something that I just forgot all those things. Which of the following statements is false about fungi? They are eukaryotes, they are heterotrophs, they possess a purely cellulosic cell wall, none of the above. Which of the following statements is false about fungi? Just lost in touch with that chapter because, and now you had an NCRT marking session, right? So now you are having the NCRT marking sessions, and surely I will be back there. But sometimes it might be a premiering, sometimes it might be live. If I'm free, it will be live. If I'm not free, it will be premiering. Okay, little busy nowadays. That's why I'm doing this question bank also as premiering, so that whenever I'm free, I will do this, and this may be shared in the YouTube as a premiering session. So you all may be able to participate as a live, right? So let's move on to the answer. Exactly, they possess a purely cellulosic cell wall is absolutely a wrong answer, wrong statement, right? Because they have cell wall is sometimes made up of chitin, right? All these are what certain questions that are asked. So all of you, these are the important MCQs for NEET examination. Some of the basic important MCQs. African sleeping sickness is caused by Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma chancla, Trypanosoma rhodesians, Trypanosoma gambians. Which among the following causes African sleeping sickness? Right. So exactly, option four, Trypanosoma gambians is the correct answer. It is an what? This is the organism that causes African sleeping sickness. Today I don't know what happened. Something happened to me. English is not getting much fluent. Right. Moving on to the next question. Linnaeus evolved a system of nomenclature called as very simple, the very base, vernacular, monomial, polynomial, binomial. Which of the following is a system of nomenclature implemented by Sir Carl Linnaeus? Yes, without wasting any time, binomial nomenclature is the answer, right? It is a system of nomenclature which is created by Linnaeus. Next question. What is a taxon? How much questions left? More and much. What is a taxon? A group of related families, a type of living organisms, group of related species, a group of any ranking. Very simple. All of you know that. The answer. I'm saying that all questions are simple, right? Exactly. All questions are simple. It's a how a question becomes simple is that your approach towards that. Whether you consider it as simple, it might be simple. Whether you consider it as complex, even this question will be a complex one, right? So if you, how you approach your question is one point that determines whether it is the easy or no. Exactly, a group of any ranking is one thing which is known as a taxon. Right, taxon is a group of any ranking. Next question. Phylogenetic classification is based on another simple question. Overall similarity, habit of plant, common evolutionary descent, all of these. Phylogeny is something, it's based on what? Evolution. Right. Exactly, common evolutionary descent. Whenever the term phylogeny is coming, I'm always reminding you it is based on common evolutionary descent. The exact term is used because it's a previous year question. Okay, it's a previous year question and one of the important points. Just bookmark it. Hope you all know this. Okay, the questions which we are doing now in this question bank is almost most simple. And but those are questions asked to. Okay, those questions are asked to in the examination. Next question. Static concept of species was proposed by, it's one of the question, important one. Okay. Static concept of species was proposed by. Exactly. Linnaeus is the one who proposed the static concept of species. Okay. He has proposed more and much things. Okay. Above our concepts, he has proposed all this. Okay. Next question. The protists have which of the following? Free nucleic acid aggregate, nucleoprotein in direct contact with the rest of the cell substance, membrane-bound nucleoproteins with the within the cytoplasm. Nucleoproteins are contained together in a loose mass. This is a question. Comment your answers. Broadest are which of the following? And after the NEET 2020 examination, most of you are depressed. The repeaters, I mean, uh, those students in the topper batch, right? They are somewhat depressed. Just leave all those things. Okay, just wait whether you get the admission in the allotment. So or else just leave that and prepare for the next year. We have 1 year ahead, more than 7 months, right? More than 7 months are there. So do not give up your hope. Strive hard. Okay, your if your aim must be to become a doctor. Okay, everyone must be waiting. Just remember, just have a, when you get what, when you lose your hope, just think of that day when you are in white coat, when you are wearing the white coat. Okay, so just reveal the correct answer for this question. It's exactly option C or option 3, membrane bound nucleoproteins within the cytoplasm. It's one of the structure that's the protist have. Okay, next question. Genes of tobacco mosaic virus are double-stranded, double-stranded RNA, single-stranded RNA, double-stranded DNA, proteinaceous. All of you know that is the tobacco mosaic virus. They have the SS RNA. So single-stranded RNA is the gene of tobacco mosaic virus (TMV). Okay, it's discovered by DJ Ivanovsky. Blue-green algae belong to which group? Protista, prokaryote, fungi, bryophyte. Blue-green algae. It is not an algae. It is a cyanobacteria. Okay, it consists of a blue-green pigment known as what? The phycocyanin. Right. The phycocyanin is the blue-green pigment in this blue-green algae. Therefore, the cyanobacteria is known as the blue-green algae. So, this blue-green algae is not an algae. So, don't be confused with that. It is the only what? It is included in the only prokaryotic kingdom of five kingdom classification. That is the kingdom Monera, which is given here as prokaryote. So exactly, prokaryote is the answer. It is the kingdom where it is the group where this blue green algae is belonged. Clear with that? Next question: who wrote the book Genera Plantarum? Who wrote the book Genera Plantarum? Bessie, Bentham Hooker, Linnaeus, Hutchinson. Who wrote the book Genera Plantarum? Comment me fast. Yes, Exactly. Genera Plantarum is written by Linnaeus, and another one of the famous book of Linnaeus, in which he included the binomial nomenclature. It is Systema Naturae, right? It is one of the book of Linnaeus where the binomial system of binomial classification, binomial nomenclature is involved. Next question: Chiodina discovered bacteriophage, infectious protein, free infectious DNA, free infectious RNA. In case of virus, we have different names there, and as per the old NCRT, we had the scientist who given the term virus, it was Louis Pasteur. But as per the new NCRT, you should study it as DG Ivanovsky. Okay, Louis Pasteur. The name of Louis Pasteur is just what moved out of your syllabus. And this Theodina discovered the viroid, and what? Who else? Stanley told that this virus can be crystallized, right? And one more person is there. One more person is there. Theodina, D.G. Ivanovsky, Stanley, and Bijanik. Bijanik told that this virus contains an infectious fluid known as contagion fluid viva, fluidium viva, right? Contagion vivum fluidium, right? So exactly. This viroid is a free infectious RNA, and Teodina discovered this free infectious RNA. So don't be confused by those names of scientists in this topic of virus. All those have certain specific and particular discovery or invention. Not invention, discovery. ICBN stands for. This was one of the questions that is also included in Living World Question Bank. International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, Indian Code of Botanical Nomenclature, Indian Congress of Biological Names, Indian Congress of Botanical Nomenclature. Exactly. Without wasting any time, I'm moving the answer because you all are able to watch and you all are able to note it. Okay, so I'm moving on to the answer with this question. No need of noting because all of you know. Even the one who entered for the first time might know this, right? Don't be confused with Indian code and international code, right? Okay. Oh, that's over. The question is over. That's all for the question. There were 18 questions and we have completed those 18. And well done. Hope you all commented the answers well. Hope you all your doubts are cleared. Okay, if any more further doubts, you may comment it in the comment section. Okay, in the public comment section, not in the live chat, in the public comment section. Or if you have any further doubts, you may ask it in the Telegram. Okay, without any fail, you may ask it in the discussion group. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for your patient listening. Thanks for watching, and I have told you I will show you my effort. 1 second, let me end this. Look, you may see this. It's one of the PowerPoint presentation, right? All those things are separate. This is one thing, this is separate, which we should cut and paste. If you look here, all these are tight. This is all are separate. This is the background, and this is one thing which we separately add. Okay, separate thing, separate thing. And each of the following question, how we did is just prepare this first one question, just do it, copy and paste in the next one, and we should enlarge the size, we should change the color of that, we should add a clip art here. All these are just our efforts, right? We should be thorough with those explanations of that, all those things which we should be made clear before teaching you, and we should all add all these things separately in order to make you clear for that, right? So all these are the efforts which are done by us. So I'm not asking you, but now I am ordering you to give us the rewards for that, not in the form of cash or not in the form of love or support. We are doing this for you, but so for that what you should do is just give a result for us. Okay, even in our test papers, one who is thoroughly practiced with the questions only is able to continue with approaching towards the questions in the examinations. Okay, so most of you are doing well in the examination, so continue with that, practice more and more questions. keep writing the examinations, and stay motivated. Do not be demotivated. That's all what I have to say. Okay, just give us rewards in the form of your studies. Okay, don't think that I'm bargaining rewards for you, but it's our need. Okay, I'm just ordering you to give me. Okay, not in an angry manner, in a smile, with a pleasant smile. I'm ordering you. And well done, guys. And that's all for today. Just do not forget to join. If you are a new member, just join our Telegram group, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and do hit the like button. Okay, in each and every session which I am taking, I'm just forgetting to inform you that. Okay, now I am back with my words. Okay, so do hit the like button. Okay, and do share it with your friends, and if you're a new member, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, and do not forget to press the bell icon, or else you will not be getting the notifications of the videos, whether live streaming or uploading or premiering. See, I think we are having the uploaded sessions very less now. Okay, because we are having the facility of premiering. So that's all for today. Hope you all are happy with today's class and session. Okay, thank you from the part of BioPoint for the efforts that you're seeing, and that's all for the session of question bank of biological classification. Do not forget to join the Telegram group. Okay, just search at BioPoint new. Okay, just type at BioPoint the exact sentence given here at your any page of your Telegram, and just click onto that. You will be availing a facility of our group. Okay, and do not forget, whether you are there in the private channel, do not forget to join the discussion group. Everything, each and everything will be posted in the discussion group, other than posting in the private channel. Clear with that? And that's all for today. We are ending today's session. Bye, guys. Thank you for your patient listening, and keep supporting us. Okay, I have told you, not in the form of support and love, but I need that. But more than that, just not my use mobile phones only in the time of classes. All of you are having classes, all of you are having your careers classes, some of you are having your career classes. That's a achievers batch where they're having the career classes if you are joined for some courses. So other than that time, just stay offline and be online only at the time of classes, quizzes and exams. Okay, and just write your exams by your own. Just do not seek the help of Google and your notebooks for that. Okay, because we are not aiming your what score for the first time. Okay, you may gradually improve your scores, like that's how the one who keeps achieving gradually they may improve. You must avoid negative marks. No, write only the questions that you know clearly. If it is one question, just write that one question so that you will be getting 4 marks. If you write one question and you are making wrong with two other questions, you will be losing 8 marks instead of that. Not 8 marks, losing 12 marks, more than 12 marks. So that's all for today. I'm ending today's session. Just stay motivated. Bye, guys.